Hello and welcome to Simply Sport to continue our love affair with the fascinating world of sports. In today's program, we set the mood for Goa Cricket Association's highly exciting Goa Professional League, which is now in its 6th season. Since its inception in 2010, the GPL 2020 Championship has grown from strength to strength. Experienced local cricketers and emerging state players, as well as quality cricketers from different parts of India, make it a top-notch tournament under the aegis of Goa Cricket Association. As we build up to the GPL Season 6, let's know the teams in the fray. Dempo Cricket Club, Sarvodaya Royals, Sargaonkar Sports Club, Chaugule Warriors and Gino Sports Club are being joined by new entrants, Kakulo Goans, in the highly anticipated annual competition. A team each from Maharashtra and Delhi will complete the 8-team field. The players' auction was held recently in Panaji. The event was covered live on GCA's website www.goacricket.org. The auction witnessed over 2,400 followers online as the GCA, led by Dr. Shekhar Sarkar, endeavours to use the latest technology to connect with Goan cricket fans all over the world. Here are the highlights of the GPL Players Auction 2015.
We all, on behalf of Goa Cricket Association, welcome all of you here for this auction GPL of 2015. We have little bit, changed the scenario. We wish to take it in our GC office. Everybody was saying that we should have a better ambience. So we have selected this place for a better ambience, and I hope you all will agree with this. That is little different and better than what we did last year. Plus, there are a lot of things which are happening first time here. We have first time online auction. This auction can be seen anywhere in the world, and the two teams which are from outside are following this on that online, and they will be guiding their members here, who are local members who are sitting here, for the purchase of the players. The e-support what is required for all these things is given by this 4 young gentlemen, which is captained by Raghu. Where is Raghu? Actually, it's given by Divashi Das. Das, you click your hand. And his team from playing quarters, they have got a team. And for the first time, the React technology is used. It is used only in Facebook and Instagram. None of the anywhere in the world, in any program, this has been used. For the first time, we are using it. I am very thankful to all these young boys for doing this job for us. And I really
down timer. Darshan Misal, gentlemen. Darshan Misal is the first player. If you want some time to take a look, you can see the amount mentioned there. We'll give you some more time so that you can familiarize yourself with this slide. Darshan Misal. The bidding starts from 1,15,000. 1,15,000 is the first bid, and that comes from Chaugule Warriors. Chaugule Warriors have bid 1,15,000. Can I see another bat going up at 1,30,000? 1,50,000, 15,000 is what Chogle Warriors have bid. Anybody? Darshan Misal is the first player in the elite group. Any of the franchises interested in Darshan Misal? 1,15,000, just 50,000 ahead of the base price. The base price for all the elite players is 1 lakh. 1,30,000 Geo Dragons have bid for Darshan Misal. Can I see a 145 for Darshan Misal? A 145 for the first player in today's auction. Geo Dragons have bid 130 right now. Can I see another bat going up from any of the franchisees? 1,30,000 Darshan Misal, the first player in today's auction. Geo Dragons, 1,30,001, 1,30,002, and 1,30,000. Before I say 3, the bat has gone up again from Chogle Warriors. They are going to bid 1,45,000. 1,45,000 to Chogle Warriors. 1,45,000 to Chogle Warriors. Anybody wants to outbid that? Any of the franchisees? 1,45,000 to Chogle Warriors. Darshan Misal, the first player in today's auction. 1,45,000 to Chogle Warriors. 1,45,003, and Darshan Misal is sold to Chogle Warriors. So as you can see, the name of Chogle Warriors is in red already. That means they cannot bid any further for any of the elite players. The next player, gentlemen and lady, is Sagun Kamat. Sagun Kamat. We start from a base price of 1,15,000. Our second player today, Sagun Kamat. The first bid comes from Kapulo Govins for 1,15,000 for Sagun Kamat. Geno Dragons have bid 1,30,000. 1,45,000 for Sagun Kamat from Kapulo Govins. 1,45,000 from Kapulo Govins. 1,45,000 for Sagun Kamat from Kapulo Govins. 145 Sagun Kamat. Kapulo Govins are still in the lead at 145. Can I see another bat going up for Sagun Kamat? 1,45,000 is the current bid from Kapulo Govins for Sagun Kamat. 160 now for Sagun Kamat from Geno Dragons. Geno Dragons, 160. Can I see another bat going up for Sagun Kamat? Yes, the bat goes up again from Kapulo Govins for 175. 175 for Sagun Kamat, the second of the elite players in today's auction. 175, 190 for Sagun Kamat. 190 is the bid for Sagun Kamat from Tempo Cricket Club. The current bid stands at 190 for Tempo Cricket Club from Tempo Cricket Club for Sagun Kamat. 190 is the current bid. Any other franchises interested in bidding further? That makes it 205, 2,05,000 to Sagun Kamat from Kapulo Govins. Kapulo Govins have bid 2,05,000 now for Sagun Kamat. Is the race going to hot up any further? Am I going to see another bat going up? 2,05,000 is where it stands at the moment for the Kapulo Govins. For Sagun Kamat, 2,05,000 at the present. Sagun Kamat at 2,50,000 for Tempo Cricket Club. Sagun Kamat, Tempo Cricket Club, 2,50,001. We see another bid, this time coming from Sarvodaya Royals. It's going to be 2,65,000 this time. 2,65,000 to Sarvodaya Royals. Sagun Kamat is the player in auction. 2,65,000 is what the Sarvodaya Royals have bid. The price has just gone up again by another 50,000. 2,80,000 this time. 2,80,000 to Tempo Cricket Club. 2,80,000 to Tempo Cricket Club. That's the highest bid at the moment. 2,80,000 for Sagun Kamath from Tempo Cricket Club. And we're going to see another bat going up. It's 2,80,000 at the moment for Tempo Cricket Club. Sagun Kamath is the player. Presently, Sarvodaya Royals is leading the bid. Sarvodaya Royals, Sagun Kamath calling 1, calling 2, and we see another bid, this time from Tempo Sports Club. Sagun Kamath, 3,25,000 for Sarvodaya Royals, calling 3,25,000 1, 3,40,000 now to Tempo Cricket Club. Sagun Kamath, 3,40,000 to Tempo Cricket Club. 3,40,000 to Tempo Cricket Club. 3,40,000 to Tempo Cricket Club at the moment. 340, Tempo Cricket Club calling 1, calling 2, and one last final call, Sagun Kamath. We have another bid, this time for 355 from Sarvodaya Royals. 3,55,000 from Sarvodaya Royals for Sagun Kamath. And this war is just hotting up with every passing bid. 3,70,000 is where it stands at the moment for Tempo Cricket Club, and I'm going to see the bat being raised again. Sagun Kamath, Tempo Cricket Club, 3,70,000 1, 3,70,000 2, and it's just gone up to 3,85,000 now. 3,85,000 to Sarvodaya Royals. 3,85,000 to Sarvodaya Royals is where the bid stands at the moment. 385 is the bid. 385 to Sarvodaya Royals. 385 1, 385 2, and it's just gone up to 4 lakhs now. 4 lakhs for Sagun Kamath. The bid has just come from Tempo Cricket Club. So that was a very interesting round. Sagun Kamath sold to Tempo Cricket Club for 4 lakhs. That's half the purse money that all the franchisees have. So that was just our second player in today's auction. Sagun Kamath will play for Tempo Cricket Club in GPL 2015. So we are done with 2 players at the moment, Darshan Misal and Sagun Kamath. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we'll move to the third player in today's auction. The next bid comes from Kakulo Govans, and it is for 130 for Swapnil Asnurkar from Kakulo Govans. 1,30,000. The bat has gone up again from Gino Dragons this time for 1,45,000. That has gone up from Kakulo Govans this time for 160 for Swapnil Asnurkar. 160 is the bid at the moment for Swapnil Asnurkar, and it comes from Kakulo Govans. 160 is where it stands. I'm going to see the bat go up again. Yes, it does.